What's up, Slice Your Life fam? It's your boy Young. Greetings everybody else if this is your first time to our channel. Welcome, man. Sending positive vibes, radiating positive energy to all of you guys, man. I'm going to be telling you today about how to do a deep soak ACV wash. It's not my first time doing this. I have had hair since for 20 years now. And I've been locking for 10 years now. So I know a little bit about what I'm talking about. A lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions about my locks, you know, so figure I'd make a video and put this information out to help as many people as I can. So I'm gonna try to make this video short and quick, straight to the point. This is not an every week. It's not something you do every time, you know. It's something you do like 2, 3, 4 times a year, depending on how dirty your locks really get. If you keep your hair up and you don't do too much, you know, 2, 3 times a year is cool. You can make that call. The way I decide when I'm gonna do it is basically, you know, I wash my sheets, my pillowcases every week. But when my face start getting bumpy all the time to the point where like, it's not the pillowcases and everything else, probably because your locks are not, you know, dirty. That's what we're about to do right now. I'm about to go ahead, throw my locks into this water. It's about to get super, super dirty, as it should. That's how you know it's working. This is like the best, most amazing natural way to get all of the dirt and gunk and all that stuff out of your hair, you know. Let's get right to the video, man. But first, don't forget to like and comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we appreciate the views. Thanks for the support. Alright, so I got the ACV. Now, if you can get your hands on this ACV right here, apple cider vinegar, go ahead and grab this. It's the best one, you know, that I could find out there. But I live in China, and I cannot find this here anywhere. So for this purpose, I'm gonna use this junk for my hair and save this for my health. So we got the ACV, and then this is the baking soda right here. I know y'all can't read that, but trust me, it says baking soda. See, that says baking soda. Baking soda. So now, and then we got a whole lemon. Whoever has a whole lemon in the crib, this one's always cut. Somebody always slicing a lemon. Her. Some people use sea salt or lime and oils and stuff, but I'm keeping it simple. So yeah, let's get right to it. So we want to get the water as hot as possible, as hot as you can take it, because the hotter the water, the better it's gonna be. It's gonna get the dirt out of your hair easier. It's like washing clothes, you know. You wash clothes, you want hot, it just gets all of the dirt out. So as hot as you can take it, I got it all the way up. And then we're gonna mix all this stuff in. Just put my hand. Some people measure stuff out and they say, you know, you can put a half a cup of baking soda, 3/4 cup of this. I kind of just eyeball it, you know what I'm saying, depending on how dirty I think my hair is. I just put a little bit in there. So we're gonna just pour this in there. You know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 boom. Get all of that in there. First I'm gonna put a lemon though, so the lemon can squeeze some lemon in there. That's good. And then we're gonna pour some ACV in there. And you're gonna see it fizz. So now, mix it up. Smell that too. It's bomb. Woo, hot. Alright, and then literally sit down, soak my hair in this. Get it dirty. Make sure all get in there. And that's where you need to really get your head in there. Alright, so if you need to, add some more water so that all your hair can get in there. So these are my locks right now. This is the first ACV wash. Just look at them, see how they look. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna spin around real quick so I can get the front of my head in there. Oh man, I gotta do some acrobatic stuff to get in this job. Alright. So look at this water. Look how dirty that water is. You know? Go ahead. And now,
Gonna pour this out. Alright, now rinse everything out your hair. Get all of it out. Good, done. Your hair, and there's no dirt coming out. When you rinse your hair, it's just spring water.
Alright, y'all, let's go see how he doing. What are you? What the heck?
I'm trying to get all my locks in there, man.
Wow, the struggle. Hair about to be fresh.
So I'm about to be walking smelling like lemons.
I know.
I'm walking on sunshine. Oh, don't feel good. Hey. Now look at the water. See, the water ain't that dirty as it was the first time. So we got a lot of that stuff out. See what I'm saying? So now what we're about to do, go ahead and wash it for the second time. When I shampoo the second time, there should be no dirt in there after that. Then, you know what I'm saying, you go ahead and do what you want with the conditioner and all that. You know what I'm saying? Close. So it don't go in my hair, it go right to the tub. You can dry your hair how you want. This is how I dry. A lot of people asking the right questions on my hair, so I figured I'd tell y'all. This is how I dry it, or wring it out. I squeeze and twist just a little bit so I don't pull the locks apart and make them thinner and weaker. Gotta get the muscles in. And then the last most important thing is don't use a cotton towel for your hair ever. Alright. Especially not your locks. Use a microfiber cloth, microfiber towel. Alright, so this will be much better for your hair. You won't have cotton stuck in your locks, especially after you just did all that hard work cleaning, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna take like a day to dry because I don't use heat on my hair. Continue taking care of your locks, man. Don't let nobody pull your strength. Don't let nobody touch your hair, man. These antennas, these locks are with you through everything, the good and the bad, you know what I'm saying? The longer the locks, the more patience, the more you know, the more you learn, the more you grow, the more overstanding and more wisdom, you know? So don't let nobody pull your locks, you know what I'm saying? Don't let nobody pull your strength from your crown. Really respect your locks and, you know, just take care of your locks, man. Take care of your hair. Don't let people pull your energy from you, you know?
Alright. Final product. Look at my baby's hair. So beautiful.
I wash my hair like every 3 months, maybe 4 months.
Cheers, boo.
Cheers.
Hey.
Vital. Oh, that may be a little bit longer than I expected, but thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the support. Don't forget to like and comment this video if it's been informational for you, you found any value in it. And yeah, until the next video, see you guys, man, together not divided. Oh wait, I gotta ask the turtles. Turtle. Do you think my hair's fresh, turtle? Hey, buddy. What you doing, buddies? Let's see what they think. What they think? Don't do nothing if the answer is yes. It looks like they think my hair is fresh. Thanks for watching, man. Thanks for the support. See y'all next video. Take care, another Peace.